Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 3 to 9, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And kung meron kayong TikTok, follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok, Mr. Queen PH. And also sa Facebook, ayan, Mr. Queen PH. Okay, so Scorpio, medyo ano kayo ngayon, magiging busy or you are connecting with more people. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo, you are a social media influencer or meron kang large following sa social media, content creator, ganyan. Or maaring meron kang mga gagawing activities related to public service or charitable work. Ayan, so pwedeng ikaw ay mag-volunteer sa isang charity na gusto mong tulungan or magdo-donate ka sa isang charity na gusto mong tulungan. You will be visible, no? Maraming makakakilala sa'yo or nakakakilala sa'yo. Your overall energy is the Queen of Swords. So, at the same time, hindi ka rin yung tipong all out para sa lahat, no? Yung tipong kahit na lang sino na makipagkaibigan sa'yo, ikakaibiganin mo na. You are also screening. Ini-screen mo yung mga tao. Pinifilter mo. Yan. Kung sino yung mga taong kako-connect. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko siya masabi. That you will be connecting with, no? Oo. Magiging maingat ka sa mga taong pakikisalamuhaan mo. But you are also open to new friends, new connections. And then your challenge is the Six of Pentacles. So, maaring merong imbalance when it comes to your finances. Ito yung tipong maaring mas marami kang ginagastos kesa sa kikitain or kinikita mo. So, pay attention to your finances, to your money. I also see someone na pwedeng hihingi sa'yo ng tulong. When it comes to kaperahan, pwedeng uutang or hihingi ng donation. Sabi nga nila, kung magpapautang daw is mas okay na kung ano na lang yung kaya mong itulong doon sa tao. Kasi at least hindi mo na kailangang hintayin na babalik pa yung pera sa'yo. Okay? So, maaring meron kang kailangan tulungan or mag-share ka ng kaperahan mo. Ayan. And then, your opportunity is the Hermit. You also have the opportunity na bigyan yung sarili mo ng kapayapaan, katahimikan ng isip. Na hindi porket open ka sa ibang tao, you are connecting, you are part of a community, napapaligiran ka ngayon ng mga tao. May mga times din na you will be in solitude, you will be isolated. Yun, parang bibigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo for self-reflection, for reassessing your situation. Some of you are also healing, with the Four of Wands. This is your blessing. Kung kayo ay nagkasakit, in the past, your blessing is you will heal faster. You are recovering. Yung iba sa inyo meron ding blessing of vacation, no? So pwedeng you will go on a vacation na yung tipong makakahanap ka talaga ng katahimikan ng isip. Kasi di ba kaya nga tayo nagbabakasyon is para mag-relax. Ayan. So some of you will relax. And part of your vacation, meron kang self-discovery. You will discover new places. Maaring may pupuntahan ka na you've never been before, no? Hindi ka pa nakarating doon. And it's going to be a great experience for you for self-reflection. And maaari ring magkaroon ka ng bagong idea, creative idea dahil doon uh, sa vacation na yan. Kasi nga, yung isip mo clear, yung isip mo kalmado. So when it comes to your money and finances, you have the Eight of Pentacles and perspective. So, napakasipag nyo financially, napakasipag nyo na mag-ayos mag-manage ng inyong income. And pagdating rin sa negosyo, maaring mas nagiging strategic ka pagdating sa pag-handle ng negosyo mo or ng sources of income mo. Some of you are nagiging mas practical pagdating sa resulta ng finances ninyo. Ito yung tipong hindi ka lang basta nangangarap na, ito gusto ko mangyari sa kaperahan ko, gusto ko ganito mangyari sa business ko. Pero wala ka namang ginagawang action. You're just thinking about it. So, ngayon, you're becoming more practical na nire-require ng pangarap mo, yung hard work. Nire-require ng pangarap mo, yung effort. No? Pag sinabi natin effort, hard work, hindi naman kailangan na ibabad mo yung sarili mo sa trabaho. Kumbaga, be more strategic in using your resources. Okay? And when it comes to relationship, may Ace of Cups, may deception. So, if you are single or merong bagong person sa buhay mo, pay attention sa intention niya sa'yo. Because this person might not be true to you. No? Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging totoo sa'yo. Sa intention niya sa'yo. Syempre, pakiramdaman mo. No? Kung sa tingin mo naman, okay naman, edi go. Pero, kumbaga merong pa ring, precaution. Remember to practice self-love. Yes. Taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. Pag-aalaga sa iyong sarili. Ano ba yung mga kailangan mo ngayon? Lioness, you've earned all your stripes. I think makikita mo rito yung resulta ng mga pinaghirapan mo, and you're going to be very proud of it, na hindi porket meron kang narating, iyayabang mo na, or doesn't mean na porket nagiging proud ka doon, mayabang ka na, 'di ba? Alam mo na pinaghirapan mo ang isang bagay, so syempre you will definitely be proud of what you have achieved. Merong mga bagay sa finances mo na hihintuan mo na sa paggastos. Yung alam mong parang hindi na siya nakakatulong sa pag-iipon mo, no? Father of Cups. I feel like meron ditong hindi, parang nagda-doubt sa isang person. So, you just have to get to know this person. Laliman mo ang pagkakakilala mo sa kanya. Maraming ways para makilala ang isang tao. But at the same time, maging maingat ka rin. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.